If I told you that it was possible for an airplane to be missing from the records of a state, would you believe me? How about if I told you that this happened in Rivers State of Nigeria, that a whole aeroplane will be missing and nobody in the state can give an account for over 10 years? Please watch this next video and then leave me a comment of what you feel about that country called Nigeria, from the president to the ministers and worst of all, the governors. Watch this video.
Yes.
We never had an idea that our plane was in your facility.
Okay.
It was a matter of, asking questions
Mhm.
before we got the information
Mhm.
that Legacy 600 belonging to our state is the RWAG before the General Atomics done.
Mhm.
So we tried to make contact with you, and which you obliged. So we want to sincerely thank you for not hiding anything for us,
Mhm.
because it is the property of the state government.
Mhm.
This plane was bought in 2003, I guess, if I'm not wrong, 2003,
Mhm.
by the government of Sir Dr. Peter Odeh. And by 2007, he had handed over to the next government, which was my predecessor,
Mhm.
now Minister of Transportation, Rotimi Amechi. While he was in office, by 2012, this plane was brought here. Reasons we do not know. But I guess that maybe for inspection.
Mhm.
But what bothered us was that there was no documentation to show, as we were coming into government in 2015. You can imagine the plane was there 2012. Then I came in 2015, 3 years.
Mhm.
So the issue is, why was there no documentation to let the government come in to do that? Look,
Mhm.
we have this facility and we sent it to RWAG before for inspection.